This is Texas Tech University student housing with instructions on how to use the washers and dryers within our residence halls. Let's begin.
Before putting in your laundry, pour your detergent in the designated slot for front loads or at the bottom of the washer and top loads. Do not insert a pod inside the front load. Plastic will ruin it. Do not put more than one pod in the top washer. More than one pod will stain your clothes. Now that your detergent is in, it's time to put in your laundry. The amount we go by at Texas Tech is 2 sets of sheets, 1 comforter, or 1 week's worth of laundry. Distribute clothes evenly or the machine will also break. Heavy stuff on bottom, lighter stuff on top. If you fill up the laundry machine too much, the water will overflow and the machine will break. 1 inch below the rim is perfect. After your clothes are in, you will select the desired wash setting. Whites will be in warm water and darks will be cool. Pressing normal will work for most loads. Make sure your settings are perfect before starting the machine. Do not open the washer after starting. Go ahead and click start and let the process begin. Then, after the time has passed, you will have clean clothes ready to be thrown into the dryer. Put only 1 week's worth of laundry, 2 sets of sheets, or 1 comforter into 1 dryer. Push desired settings to begin. After time has passed, it's time to take home your new clean clothes.
If you have any questions, look inside the washer hood for instructions or visit our website at housing.ttu.edu. Thank you for your time and Recom Tech.